Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a No Limit 2 drag racing modded version with unlimited gold. So as you can see, I'm pretty broke right now, but I'm going to enable unlimited gold and let's see if it goes up. So nothing yet, but come on bro. Yo, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's for iOS and Android. So yeah, it actually is updated and everything. So let's go into the video. So the first thing we got to do is go to the browser and just go to tweakmod.com. So on this site, guys, we're going to find the No Limit 2 drag racing. So just type it in and press install. So now we have to do verification. So what you got to do is download 2 apps, complete the instructions. So this is completely for free from official app store. It's just to keep the server safe and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So let's go on to the video now. So it's going to load and it's almost done. So there we go, guys. It's done. So now it's time to do the verification. So what we got to do is download 2 of the apps. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, additional files are required. So there's going to be all these apps here. So just pick 2 of them. Just press on it and press like install, whatever. Now I am on an Android phone, so if you're using an iPhone, this might look a little different. You might have some different apps, but that's fine, guys. Just do what you can do, and I'll see you later. So yeah, there's a video here you can watch if you're confused. So yeah, it's super cool. So that's how I get the No Limit 2 drag racing mod for 2025, iOS and Android. And there has been some people that said it doesn't work, so I tested it on all my devices and my game was not banned. But one thing I do want to say is if you go on to settings and you go to battery, you can make sure the low power mode is disabled. So there you go. So I'll see you guys later. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to try it out for yourself. It's fully working. So that's how to get the No Limit 2 drag racing mod. Just make sure you go to TweakMod and you download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. There is a tutorial if you're lost, so you can watch that, but it is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This fully works, and I haven't had to jailbreak or anything, so I'm pretty excited about this opportunity. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro. This is so cool, and it is fully working. So yeah, get the word out, bro. This is so cool, bro. Oh my gosh. Nah. So yeah, tell your friends about it, bro. This is so good. It's like updated and everything. So yeah, peace out.